Hey y'all, it's Gary from Barnes Life, Georgia Edition with my little granddaughter Kylei. Actually, she's our oldest granddaughter. She's 11. And we have a golf cart and she wants to learn how to drive it. So today's the day she gets to drive it and I'm going to show y'all how she does. I hope you do good. Okay, you need to buckle up.
Alright.
Pull that down. Here's the buckle up for safety. All right.
You buckle up too?
I'm not buckling up.
Oh yeah, you're an adult.
I need to jump off of this. I'm gonna jump off.
I'm not gonna crash anybody.
I hope not. So, what was the first thing I told you need to do? Foot on the.
Gas.
On what?
The gas.
On the brake.
Oh.
Well, remember you gotta put it in gear. So you gotta have your foot on the brake. Use this.
What was that?
Use this foot. Somebody shot.
Wait,
We're in the country, so people do shoot guns.
Want me to
Put
go
it in
slow?
H.
You know, go slow. That means it'll go slow.
Well, it depends on how hard you push the gas. Don't be scared. Look, get ready to steer with the steering wheel. Push the gas. I'm not gonna let you wreck, okay?
Okay.
So it's up to you. You're gonna have to turn this way while you press on the gas. Come on. You can do it.
Is it just like a 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
But a bigger vehicle?
Yeah. You can do it. Go for it. Press the gas. There you go.
Oh God. Okay.
There you go.
I'm scared.
Well, don't run into the wall.
I'm not trying to.
Okay.
I'm trying to steer this way.
Okay. Just don't go so fast.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. Just go slow. You're doing good. Stay on the driveway.
Whenever we get to the end, can you like take over and spin around?
Yeah,
Like
you can do it. You're gonna do it all.
I'm not gonna make a U-turn with us.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not comfortable with that.
You're going to do it. She's gonna do it.
What do you guys think? Do you think I'll
Watch where you're going. You're doing it. Go faster.
I'm scared.
Go faster. Push the gas all the way to the floor.
No,
You gotta steer it now.
I am
There
steering
you
it.
go. Go faster.
No, I'm worried. Well, we're getting to the end. I don't want to accidentally go on the road. Wreck us. I'm not going to U-turn us. I'm not going to do that.
Go around that tree, in between the trash cans and that tree. In between the
I'm
tree.
scared I'm going to hit them.
You're not. You just go slow. Just go slow. You can do it. Slow. Now turn it. Keep turning more and more. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Why'd you speed up like that?
I don't know.
Well, you gotta work that foot. If you go too fast, you just take your foot off the gas, okay?
How do I turn it back that way?
Keep turning it.
Okay.
There you go. Keep moving your hands around on there. That's turn too much. Do small. When you turn, do small turns. Small move the wheel small at a time. Just a little at a time until you get it to where you need it to go. I'm running into my truck.
I'm not.
That's pretty good, Kylei. There you go. Put it in neutral. Now put the brake.
All the
Yep.
way down?
Yep. As far as you can make it go.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Okay, let's go. We got it backed up. I helped her back it up a little bit and ready to go for.
Do we put this down to go?
No,
like forward?
no, that's the brake is off. You got to have the brakes off to go forward.
How do do you go for?
Push the gas pedal.
Oh, it's literally not.
Because it's already in high, remember?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I went this way.
Low gear is only to climb hills. Steep hills. Okay?
I'm still more nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know. Just a feeling of going through the glass there.
Well, that's nothing. We're just going to drive right over the edge of that concrete onto the driveway. All right, ready, go. Okay, steer as you go. Steer more and more. All right, come back. Yep, let it come back. There you go.
Oh,
You're doing it. You did it. Cool.
I just keep it like this.
Yep.
Whenever it gets to the edge, I just usually go feel.
I want you to, this time I want to go around between the trash cans to the left, like I told you, right between the trash cans and the tree with the flag on it. So go in between there and then
Past that tree.
don't stop, just keep going and go in between all the trees.
I want you to tell me directions on the way.
Okay, go. Keep going. Go between those two trees. Or this tree, yeah. Go in between right here. Turn real hard. Turn hard. Okay, you're not gonna make it, so just go around. Go between this tree. Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Now go between that tree.
Oh, God. Okay.
Turn all the way. Go turn hard, hard, hard. Give it gas. There you go. Go between the trees.
Oh, God.
Go between.
No,
Pick
no,
out.
no.
Don't go into the tree.
I'm not
You
trying
gotta
to.
pick. Well, you were headed straight for it.
I'm trying to go into there. And
Well,
I'm
you
not-
got, but you have to steer it.
Can you just do this part for me?
You have to steer it back.
You don't
Put it
wanna
in
hit that
reverse.
lightning.
You're not gonna hit that. Put it in
Steer
reverse.
wheel.
Put it in reverse. Now back up. There's nothing behind you. Back up about 10 feet.
So how much that?
I'll tell you. Just back up. Hit the gas. All right, stop. Put your foot on the brake. Put it in high gear. Now steer to your left.
Scared.
Go in between these two trees. You can go anywhere you want. Just don't hit a tree.
And where?
And don't go in the creek.
So down that road that we just came.
No, in here. I want you to go anywhere you want in here in all these trees. Just don't hit a tree.
I'm scared I'll hit a tree though.
You're not going to hit a tree if you just go
scared I
slow
will.
enough. Do it, Kylei. Come on. You got to have this practice.
I'm scared.
If we get through this, then I'll get us back on the driveway.
Okay.
But I want you to go all the way to the back and then come through a bunch of trees. Come on. Do it. You got it. Don't be scared. Round the tree. Whoa, slower. Go slower. Go slower. Well, we've been doing this for 15 minutes and she's doing pretty good.
Made him.
She's scared.
And I stopped after the last circle because I don't know what to do. Don't know what I want to do.
Well, we're just sitting here running the gas out. Not going anywhere. Waiting on you to decide where you want to drive.
I'm still scared and getting used to it. For the first time.
You can't get used to it if you don't drive.
Do I do that slow or fast?
I think if I was you, I'd probably do it slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Golly, you scared me to death. You can't turn that sharp going down a hill. You go down a hill, look, let me tell you something. When you go down a hill, you can't turn sharp and give it a lot of gas because you might tip it over. You don't want to tip it over.
I don't know how to tip it over.
This thing could flip over upside down. If you're going down a hill and you give it too much gas, all the center of gravity gets messed up and you could flip it over. You don't want to do that. So when you go down a hill, you need to slow down. Okay, let's keep going.
I thought I was supposed to go there.
Do whatever you got to do. Are you done?
I don't know.
All right, well, go between the truck and the brick wall again.
Let's do it.
Getting close to my truck.
I know.
Go. Oh, look. Now you got to put it in low gear. Low. Move your foot to the gas. Move your foot. Move your foot to the gas. There you go. All right, now stop. You got up here. Put your foot on the brake and put it in high gear.
I was scared, okay?
I know. All right, go now. You understand? Yep. Yep.
I'm trying to hit that chair right now.
Perfect. Put it in neutral. Put the emergency brake on.
Down.
Yep. And then turn it off. Good job. Yeah. All right. You scared me to death a few times, but you did good. Hey guys, Kylei and I just finished up on the golf cart, and she did pretty good for the first time ever having driven one. I had to help her a few times, and she scared me a few times, but we got through it, and each time she should get better than that. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.